Mr. Shah Rukh Khan.
Good evening, everyone, and first of all, thank you all of you who are on stage. Manoj Saab, Ali, Shamak, Tom, and Saurabh. Team which is trying to bring together what we might seem like, oh, one more award function. But that's all right. I think more the merrier. And the idea here is to authenticate, make it something which is a little more real, honest, upfront, and different in terms of even performances that will happen later on in America. And when I was told about it, the Indian Academy Awards, I'm happy that we would be able to do this in America, and there's a platform which they'll explain to you. I'm sure everybody's been talking about it. It's a platform where you're not only getting Hindi cinema or Hindi films, you're getting even the South Indian films to be participants. You're also getting some of the films from Hollywood, which we may have liked here in India or otherwise, and include them in the awarding process, which kind of first helps India, to have far-reaching effects for the cinema. We are the oldest filmmaking nation in the world. We made the largest number of films, but we still do need an expansion in a market which will make sure our cinema goes worldwide. It's been some time that we have not been able to achieve that. So I thank all the people here on stage, all the teams which are participants now, to try and make this happen. For me, as an actor, as a producer, as an Indian film person, the most important thing is, can our cinema reach worldwide? And Tom has been extremely helpful and extremely kind in allowing us, access to America to be able to hold this function, accessed here at the embassy, and everyone who's been busy behind the scenes at the American Consulate. A big thank you to you all for taking this initiative. And personally, Tom also likes Bollywood films, so I'm going to take him for a few dances and teach him some. And Shamak is here already. I'm sure he'll start choreographing. And just a little mention that, the process has been explained, will be explained as we talk here, and you'll get to know more about it. But to create an academy, to create a world where all the fans, so to say, can participate in choosing the films online by a very simple registration process I've been made to understand on the website that will be launched, I'm sure now. It just amalgamates, includes everyone in the process of deciding which films they like, not only just in terms of popularity, but in terms of content, design, and style. And anyway, with social media, everybody is such a big participant now. I think it's high time we legalized it, organized it, and put it on floor as the Indian Academy Awards are planning to do. So my best wishes. I'm to perform there. I'm sure a lot of other Indian actors and actresses